Natural disasters on a event channel, welcome. Germany has been struck by fierce thunderstorms, sweeping through the nation with great force. The inhabitants were very scared. As the low-pressure system named Lambert advances across the country, certain regions have experienced the brunt of the storms. The central state of Hesse, in particular, has witnessed uncovered roofs and fallen trees as a result. On Thursday, severe storms unleashed eerie thunderclaps throughout multiple states in Germany. The country's weather service issued a warning of heightened danger, highlighting an escalated risk of tornadoes, storms, and exceptionally intense thunderstorms following weeks of scorching weather. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.